Hi everyone, this is the Seiko Explorer, homage to the Rolex Explorer. So the dial, very iconic, 369, black dial, sapphire crystal, dial size is 39 millimeters, 20 millimeters for lux size. The case back is transparent, so you can clearly see it is the movement is NH35A. Yeah, very nice looking case back. And then yes, so reliable movement, durable movement, basically no maintenance needed. Very durable and beautiful looking. If your wrist is not big, right, this is the perfect size because it's 39 millimeters. Comes with easy link. You can just pull out, adjust the bracelet easily without taking any bracelet off for any small adjustment. And then yeah, beautiful looking Mercedes hands. Yeah, I can also put it on to show you what it looks like on the wrist. Yeah, so it's like this, the wrist. Beautiful looking Seiko Explorer. Highly recommend for any like if you need it for work or any party or just daily watch, this is the one. Yeah, looks very nice, amazing, great build quality. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any question about this watch, you can message me on Instagram. I will put my Instagram in my description. And yeah, feel free to follow me. Thank you so much. Thanks.